What are dividends? That's a fantastic question, and I'm here to answer it just for you. Dividends are a type of money that is paid out to someone who owns a piece of a profitable company. Let's do a very quick example. Walmart. You know what Walmart is. Walmart has been around for a very long time, and they are an incredibly profitable company. If you take some of your money and give it to Walmart in the form of buying their shares, buying some stock. The reason it's called shares is because you actually share ownership of the company when you buy a piece of share. So when you buy some shares of a company like Walmart, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, AT&T, Verizon, all of these companies pay their shareholders money because when you give them money, they do things with that money. So they're saying, thank you for that money, and then they give you that money back in the form of a dividend. What's exciting about this is dividends compound over time. So in the course of 20 or 30 years, you could potentially and most likely double or even triple your initial investment into that particular company without the stock even going up. And if the stock does go up, you could do much, much better. I'm sure you've all heard the stories of Microsoft and Adobe and Apple just absolutely giving exponential growth to their shareholders. So that's what a dividend is. It's an amount of money that you receive from a big company because you gave them money to go do things with. That's it. Thanks for watching. You rock.